market's showing signs of major pullbacks. Enter this SPX put here. 40%, $120 off a single trade. I told you guys I was bullish on SPY and Apple. Morning and welcome back. Happy Monday, my fellow traders, to another live trading session where I show you guys what it's like to be a day trader and how I personally trade the stocks and how I view the market myself. Now it's January 6th, Monday, 7:38 a.m., an hour into the market being open, and let me show you guys what I'm eyeing. Let me show you guys how the market already moved, and let me tell you guys my thoughts on what I believe what will happen today. So I was watching a breakout for AMD to the upside here, but as you can see, a strong pullback to the downside there. Now whole market ran today, I would say as expected. If you watched my video yesterday about my trade ideas plan, you can see that I told you guys I was bullish on SPY and Apple. I only had 2 trade plans. Now Apple is pushing up here. I did miss an entry here off of this breakout of this candle on the 15-minute time frame here. Could enter right here, but it's already pushing up, so I missed Apple, and SPY just ran and gapped up by itself. So SPY and SPX are both out of resistance, so the market might pull back here for a little bit before we continue on higher. Now the way my brain thinks is market already pulled up real bullish, strong in the morning. So even though we're selling off here right now as we speak and market is pulling back here because we hit a resistance, I don't plan on entering puts just to try to catch a reversal. I'm not a reversal trader. I'm a breakout trader, so I wait for a breakout on a specific stock or a specific level. And so far, market already ran without me. So I just expect us to pull back a little bit before we continue on to create some new higher highs on the day. So we have almost 240 members in our Discord, as well as we're at 825 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So I appreciate you guys. We went from 800 to 825 real fast, and we're gonna keep on pushing more. We have not been dropping as much content as far as shorts or really been dropping too much videos. But either way, we have been growing. So we're gonna shoot for 1,000 real soon, and let's see what we can catch today, guys. It's Monday, first day of the week. Let's start strong. Look how active the chat is. We got so much people talking it. This is why you gotta join the Discord, guys. Look how many people are chatting up, constantly just talking about trading, stocks, trade ideas. This is why you guys gotta join it. Free Discord, link in my bio. Go on the website. The market's showing signs of major pullbacks here. I am thinking about scalping a quick in and out trade on SPX puts here. Now I did kind of miss them. I actually was talking about them in the Discord for quite a bit, saying I'm thinking about entering in. If market falls, I might enter some SPX, and I was at 923. It's currently 941, so about 10 minutes later, and SPX did do a nice, here's the break. So we can capture a retest and try to enter on a retest, but what it did do was get close to the support here, come to touch that 9 EMA, and then now we got a nice breakdown. Contracts went from 270, which is what I circled, to 370. So they're already up $100, and now they're at 440, which is crazy. So kind of already missing out on that one right now as we speak, since what's supposed to be a quick in and out scalp. But the way that I find these is because look at the whole market as a whole, guys. Everything is pulling back major. I mean, everything's going crazy. So that would be a nice in and out trade. Contracts are already at 500. That's crazy fast. Enter this SPX put here for next day. So we have some good expiration date for next day. We're losing this EMAs here. Market's kind of pulling back here pretty hard, and we're kind of in a weird spot. So the 15 minutes about to close here in 2 minutes. And so far we did see 15% pulled back here. Now we're at break even. So let's see what these contracts do. There we go. Seeing back 12% here. Good drop on SPX. 24%, $65 only in one contract. Let's fucking go. About to hit 30%, 40% here. 40%, $120 off a single trade. Currently seeing 50%. Oh my God, it's a crazy trade. Still in them. We saw a nice 50% gains. We're up currently 12%. We're gonna do our best to hold, guys, because this could be a nice trade. Now market, some stocks are trying to bounce like QQQ and Apple, but SPX and SPY are doing their own thing. So we're losing 21 and 9 EMA, which could be a nice drop. We already lost on SPY, so let's see what these SPX can do, guys. We're currently at 16%. Let's get a nice 20% here again. Let's get a nice drop. If I hit sell, I currently have the opportunity to sell for a nice 12%, 13% gains here. We did break below the opening price, which is pretty strong, but market does look like it's trying to pull back here. So I could easily collect for a nice, again, now as I'm speaking, they're currently going, now it's at 7% gain. So gotta be careful, but I do want to show you guys and just be transparent. Market is trying to bounce on Apple and QQQ, but SPY and SPX are doing their own thing. So let's see what SPX can do here. If it does push a little bit more, then I'll just sell for break even. Currently at 10%. Exited, SPX tried to pull up here, so now we're down $5. Saw a nice 110, 50% gains. Try to hold it for some more. It is what it is. So now we're down $5. SPX and Apple tried to pull up here, and they did pull up with the whole market. So sold those contracts, got in for 270, sold at 265, so just $5 loss. Unfortunately, man, is what it is though. 10:54 a.m. We'll see if we can catch something else. We entered for a quick scalp, got in for 350, sold them at 430, and they're currently at 470. And now we're up on the day at least $75 just for a quick in and out. Now this trade was literally less than 1 minute. Got in for 10:59 a.m. and sold it at 11 a.m. And now these contracts are currently at 460. So this one's probably going to be the one. This one is where I probably should have held, but I wanted to go in for a quick scalp because I'm not about to let it go negative $5 on a day. I got to go out strong. I'm about to just wrap it up here because I do got to head out and I want to beat traffic. It's currently 11 a.m. and traffic hits within like the next hour to 2 hours. So we're going to head out. Maybe I'll take you guys along with me and then we'll wrap up what the market did as a whole. I got in those contracts for $350 and they hit $500. That definitely was the one to hold for, but I really wanted just to go in and out for a quick scalp to recover that small $5 loss and turn it into at least something. Now, I'm not going to say I could have, would have, should have held my original contract, but that pullback did end up going back to break even. I hate when I let a good contract go from 50% gains back to 0%. So I just sell those when I hit break even like that. But I got in on the re-entry, got them for $350 a piece and sold them at $430 and now they're at $500. So only thing I do wish is I wish I would have held. But we're gonna wrap it up there. Take you guys along and see what's going on with this dentist.